Super Collection. Greatest collection of household items and appliances. Computer Genie. They buy, sell and repair laptops, PCs and game consoles. Richie Phone Shop for all phone repair. Tinga's Discount Store for all female bags, blouses and shoes. So, we call in on all persons who are here for audition. Please link up on stage as the show is about to begin. First up, we will start with Starlink. So, Starlink will make his entry to the stage and you will be his judge. You will tell me whether Starlink deserves a green or a red, alright? So, make some noise for Starlink!
Yes, Portmore talent, 100%, you know. We got everybody in the place straight, you know. Yeah, kick it down. Yeah. Watch on a Portmore. I'm gonna say. And we laugh and talk with people and condone and still murder people. Portmore, evil them evil. Right now, see not evil, speak not evil. We not no love to dirty yard people, but mind for the house and the new people. But we go in guy like art and evil. So we see not evil, speak not evil. None of them are dark and straight people. And I watch them out for the real people. With darling and evil, I want them evil. Watch them more time they have to sit down and laugh when beside the people and they try to walk them witchcraft throughout the almighty. We don't screw them to them tie me up like a goat in grass. Watch them, me stars on the seating of the glass. Me go to the and when them a pass. We have some fire to them dirty remarks. Go more with them about mind, they break some glass. Watch them, see not evil, speak not evil. We not love the dirty yard people, but mind for the house and the new people. One people be shy like art and evil. So we see not evil, speak not evil. None of them are taught, them are straight weaving. And I watch them out and the real people. We tell each other, evil, I want them. Watch them out, hey. Mr. Far from some bad, my friend. They want me blood run like the ink from a pen. See them are dead, not try to save them dumb. What I want to do with them?
Okay, listen, Starlink go on submit to the critics. So, because Starlink have won so good, wanna so, no one hear him again? No one hear Starlink again? Alright, and the crowd get crazy, the girls are saying Starlink, Starlink!
Yeah. You know me, I keep it, please. Hey, Portmore. Listen to Portmore. Watch out. Hey, fool. When the black men pull up on your gear, you come here, and the dark men are back on your gear. And you leave everything off of your straight. You are going to show the fire here. Hey, fool. When the black men pull up on your gear, you come here, and the dark men are back on your gear. And you leave everything off of your straight. One in a second, you not just bring your straight. Load up the things in the doorway. We shut the phones and clothing and the four-way. We are back. We not in a foul player. Any foul player. Don't get in a... We shut out more head on the runway. More, and the crew them now play, now straight. Gunshot a beat like leather belt, in a bus stick for a leather belt. More, and the black belts pull up on them here, look up here. And the things them are back on them here. And the lead everything up on your straight. One in a them head, we got chop with my shape. What's up? No little food, now test my name. The rifle is a look like mesh marina. Must be going more big like in a arena. What's the thing I want to make it sound of dreamer? Lisa want this and he's a dumb dreamer. Who kill him with a knife from his sister Zina? He got driver, murder in a the beamer. Boy blood and run like a little reefer. Poor, when the black guys pull up on them here, look up here, and the dark in a bar on them here. And the lead everything.
Then what's the money pull up to, you know? Only nobody fall like say, but them 3 deep. You understand me? When they pull up them old foot. Alright, so what was the step for Starling? What up? What was the step for Starling? Green light. Alright, so Starling, link up with the stage manager. If you have not yet collected your contract, then get your contract, run through it, and sign it up, and get your votes, alright? So, Starling, you will be added to the WhatsApp group and get the relevant information. Starling, welcome to 100% Talent. You are a season 3 contestant, alright? Blessings, my bro. Okay, so next up we have our virgin that goes by the name of Carl Robinson. Jay Wills in the house. Calling once. Jay Wills calling twice. Jay Wills.
Careful, you know.
Yo, that was Trice. Mr. DJ, take it away.
Red.
Man for this and I was like death. In the street,
100% Talent Jamaica, and we will always look forward to your online strength, alright? Next up we have, make some noise for I Solid 1. So, big up Pepper TV, our main sponsor. Big up Rica's Academy. To everyone on the mall that is hearing my voice, if you want to come this way and display your talent on stage, whatever your talents are, then you just may walk away with $300,000 as the winner for season 3. If you don't want to be on stage, then you can come, call up your family and friends and tell them that Portmore Mall have entertainment this and every Saturday for the entire family. 100% Talent Jamaica. Big up our associated sponsors, Different Flavor Restaurant, Floyd Smith, Locksmith, Better Bargain, Joel's Super Collection, Computer Genie, Richie Phone Shop, Tingle's Discount Store.
Translate.
Okay, so do remember that live on TikTok, you can journey with Diana, alright? And always remember, we at Pepper TV, we're always live. So wherever you are across the world, on a Saturday, on any social media platform, we are always live, alright? So call up your friends, tell your family, wherever in the world you are, you can see 100% Talent Jamaica. Yo, you can vote for your favorite contestants online. You can vote using PayPal, you can vote using MCB, you can vote using What is the other one?
NCB.
NCB, PayPal, and links, alright? So the options are wide, alright? And when you see the contestants in the street, purchase their votes, alright? Because this will give you an opportunity of winning a flat screen television in the grand show, alright? And if you were supposed to purchase a golden vote, then you would get the opportunity of winning phone cards weekly, alright? So that's 100% talent, Jamaica. So right up now we have I Solid One. No one likes I'm black. Bless it up. So I was born in a days for your superhero sense and no one than to chase zero. So we hunt like a detective and them born good in there. Life can not stop like pillow mama and when you're gone. Still am my superhero. Could I never come to a zero? Now you're just a soul like the anger. I am a love when you're gone. Still am my superhero. Could I never come to a zero? Now you're just a soul like the anger. I am a love spiritual. I was studying on the night, physically enough was a little child when me jump up. Me see such a beautiful smile, mama must be wondering how the child is so agile. But all them jumping off the distance to the line. One boy is young, me tell you something them wild. Like a lion, nice and then get wild. Mama thinking about you, make the engine feel like it just get island. Still am I superhero. Could I never come to a zero? Now you're just a soul of the zero. And your mama love when you're gone. Still am superhero. Could I never come to a zero? Now you're just a soul of the zero. And your mama love. I remember the times when no one you couldn't find out. I solid, pure solid. What about the king? I wanna say, I Solid One. Is it a solid green or is it a red? Green. Wanna say for I Solid One? Green, I Solid One. Welcome to the 100% talent family, alright? So, see the stage manager Rihanna, get your contract, sign up your contract, and collect your votes, alright, bro? Blessings, I. Yo, 100% talent Jamaica. Right now, me a warm up here now, because me a run out on the talent with my DJ voice. You see me? Yeah, myself. What a crew them in the house. Do so. What do so? Volume. Oh, the volume. Yeah, myself. Right down on the place, you don't know your DJ works in the place. Yeah. Some more the whole massive them. Do so, man. Do so. Alright. Next up on stage we have, make some noise for the contestants. Later me go on a piece, alright, but not yet. Next up we have SM, who is on stage next? Mr. DJ, play some tune in the meantime.
Man for this one. And I was now in the street, hustle every day. And I have to learn and I have to prepare. Good enough, be a champagne. Little later, be a champagne. Finch and Jane, I bring it in a bring complain. She said me cool, me say England plain. In a me cool, she a sing complain. Do a CT scan, money from a brain, money from a brain, money from a brain. Do a CT scan, money from a brain, money from a brain, money from a brain. Briscas, briscas. Now we can't look back to this. Briscas, briscas. We don't need another. Chicken and beer, don't worry. God knows that we are the dancing movie. We run the dancing to the new school right? Every secondary, every sheriff. We come back to the dance to everything now. We of us are dancing, man, look at them up in it. My dance will steal like for it. My dance will steal like for it. We are lead, we know we fall. We are lead, we know we fall. We know we fall. So now try to win, we know we fall. When I wanna be low, dance, when I wanna be low, clear path, when I wanna be low, big dance, when I wanna be low. Everybody know. We go. We go. We go. We go. We don't give trouble, we distance. You're not the music, we know this one. Music can be a friend across the distance. Free up, free yourself. They don't want thing, they don't want you. Free up, free yourself. No for the air, I stand past my job. Free up, free yourself. And the show still can't like you. With that, no one right down.
Every girl do it. The fact you miss my bed, me close blade, straight this away. Me a look the check. I see how when me stop it, every two them on the table, me say they love it. That's how me do one of the run with no trees, and what you make and turn your money is good. You don't know things when you stay down, and shoot. You them kind of friendship, no suit. To me as a friend, come to face to move. I know I'm a soul. I first class and I fight in the struggle. Now use them, press my hands, so me know I know I'm a soul. First class and I fight in the struggle. Now use them. We don't trust people. We say you can't trust people. We fight my God, we not even trust people. We know you put down what I am, what I do. We know you can't do us. You can't do. Some good back down. We no shopkeeper, and we no just one. He ain't trouble people, so something goes wrong. So what we alone band, and if I'm just one. So no friend can take me, they kill me. This and the cat and the truth like a religious song. See that one stakes and see that one not just down. The kidest thing of me, she has been and him stay, she can dance smooth and I just sang. We don't trust people. Yes, I can't trust people. I can't hide man. Somebody let me tell you my flow. Just class on the way, me no post me. No in my way. No in my way. In my way. No, we are coming up on the young we in the reason. And the family no in my way. No in my way.
Yeah, this is 100% talent Jamaica, and we like the vibes in the house. If you've not yet, call your friends and tell your family that we are at Portmore Mall. We're here this and every Saturday, alright? So the show begins at 5 and we will run up to about 8 p.m., alright? So get out your family. We need to see these seats filling out. Alright, 100% talent, whatever your talents are. Up next we will have Christine Angel. Alright, so what can you do? What is your talent? Don't you want to win up to $300,000? Then you need to get on stage and audition for 100% talent Jamaica. So make some noise for Christine Angel. Woo!
Portmore, 100% talent. Yeah. It's up for all of the girls that wanna take no shot. Nah.
Walande. Now what's that? You have to wake up, run around the stage and come back. Listen to me, she's not ready. She is not ready. Now we will welcome on stage with a barrage of energy. Here yo, welcome Christine Angel.
Portmore, 100% talent. Big up on yourself. Yeah. This up for all of the girls that wanna take no shot. Nah. Hey, no girl no more than me. Can't chat to me when you see me like the street. Walk and talk that now face me. My back right so you can't bully me, no. That's more like your eye. No matter back up people, not easy to program. More like your hands and hungry. I think to the man where you pour away laughing feed you. You're up for them. Them a real man, grown really on eight. All me I see you comfortable in my bed. Them a worry about when you want to sit there. No worry about me and you can see. Right over here living my life at least. Stop worry about people. Nobody my cross. But don't draw the line. Want a girl try cross it. I'm a good girl. Fuck me no bad. No girl babe. I'm gonna know that. I live my life for me. That don't mean I'm carefree. I'm a good girl, fuck me no bad. Me a one girl when I take touch her. I live my life for me. That don't mean I'm carefree. Hey, you have no girl where I walk at the road and you need to fuck the out of road biking the grand here and the needle zero. Hey, I put out when I come in you feel away. Not a prices. You wait, girl, you have to take it right. And show the shade just to sit out the truth. Look people talk so when you want to do. I'm a good girl, but me know bad. No girl vet, and me know that. I live my life for me. That don't mean I'm carefree. I'm a good girl, but me know bad. Me a one girl when I take some charge. I live my life for me. That don't mean I'm carefree.
Yeah, that is good girl Christine Angel. And next up we will have some dancers. York Avenue dancers. They went by the Dream Girls last week. So the names continue to evolve, but it's the same team, alright? So next up we will have the Dream Girls, the York Avenue dancers. Make some noise for them as they enter.
This is Zimu from Africa. I am very happy to be here.
For the money pull up.
Okay, so it seemed like the hell balance. When they did have way more, and now one more. Now it's almost at the end. What do you think about their performance? Them bad? Well on there. Then tell me something. Suppose you were supposed to win the first prize. What would you do with the $300,000? Each person must tell me what they'll do with their portion of the $300,000. So let everyone know your real name and tell them what you do with your portion. And tell the people, vote for you. Alright? You can come also, Gabby. Alright, so come along. What would you do with your winnings?
Next week, I perform.
Okay, so she don't know what she would do with her winnings, alright? So, what would you do with your winnings?
What's their name?
They are the Dream Girls and they are from
York Avenue.
York Avenue.
Okay.
Alright, so, come, what would you do with your $300,000?
What I do with the laugh?
Hold on there. Social media could be taking $300,000. What would you do? I can see in your eyes that. Come here, baby girl. Wait there. Hold on there a little bit. She a thing. You know, remember?
Education, I know.
Shall go my dance class, and that she tell me.
Alright, so never ask on our next question. If you all win the $300,000, who going to give me $100,000?
Rough! That's rough, Mitchie.
But it don't look like them know what they want to do with it. Oh, you're not giving me? Alright. Hey, yo, social media, vote for them, alright? They are the Dream Girls from York Avenue. You ready? You know what you're doing it? Next week you tell me. Go on. You know? No, next week, alright? Alright, so make some noise for them. Next up we have, make some noise for Iruga Stars. Iruga Stars.
Whoa. Yeah. There's a good look. Blessed good night, everyone. How do you feel?
Good.
Yo, the place is dead for a night. How are you going, man? People in there now. Anyway, you don't know, so this is Iruga style for who don't know. It means I real unique, great and ambitious. You know, so it's a positive vibration. See, you don't know. We have a new chapter called Make a Change. So you don't know, taking the lesson and the blessing. Big it up. Why? Jah never made us to be like this. We should be living in love. Stop putting your life at risk. Well, time for us to make a change. Activate the power that's within you, cause Babylon don't program your brains, yeah. And put up on defense because defense with them, and put up record, down the canny, kick it down. They want to control your mind because they know your soul, they can't take it away. But if you're weak, they're gonna lead you astray. Johnny was like the give us strength every day to get up. Then him turn on you with the world, and we mash it up. He said we love we better, he said we kill each other. Weapons of destruction, we got the method. How did we get so vicious and acting so malicious? No one knows which and no more, only religious. The rules and regulations is what divide the nation. Check yourself, narrate yourself and check the situation. Time for us to make a change and activate the power that's within you. Cause Babylon don't program your brains, and put up on the face because the face with them and put up record down the canny. They want to control your mind because they know your soul, they can't take it away. But if you're weak, they're gonna lead you astray. Me see some clear, me certain, them are going in a circle, and all we got to do is stop. Get in the middle, come together, stop the wriggle. No more laughing, no more giggle. The ball a bouncing now we grow. I can't be dribble. They must smile like FBI, no one black without third eye. But I brain was education like them want become this strong guy. Powers up the new side, always dead before rise. So the good of a conquer the evil and just let them on the backside. Time for us to make a change and activate the power that's within you. Cause Babylon don't program your brain. And put up on the face because the face with them and put up and go kick down the canny. They want to control your mind because they know your soul, they can't take it away. But if you're weak, they're gonna lead you astray. So they distracted us some more natural intellect and then created something called the internet. We took the bait and we got caught. Metaphorically speaking, they're like spiders and we get caught in the web. More popular known as technology, which is suppressing your inner knowledge and replacing it with programs to control the mind. More, get back to your divine. Rastafari live forever. Yes! Yeah. Alright, it's time for us to make a change. Activate the power that's within you, cause Babylon don't program your brains. And put up on the face because the face with them and put up and go kick down the canny. They want to control your mind because they know your soul, they can't take it away. But if you keep they're gonna lead you astray. Time for us to make a change. But more, big up with service for the glory to the star. Give that trust.
Yeah, you know, that was Iruga style. So 100% talent. The show continue. Yo, hey, yeah. So wherever you are in the world, follow our videos, share them, like them. Continue to follow us online. We are at 100% talent Jamaica. Okay, so next up. I will be doing a song. So we know that everybody who out there and have talent, you can come and audition no matter which level you think your talent is at. Alright, so my son is watching me and live, no doubt. So I'll be doing his favorite song for him, alright? Bigfoot, little foot, it doesn't matter. Bigfoot, little foot, it doesn't matter. Bigfoot, little foot, it doesn't matter. We're marching on the King's Highway. Marching! Boys, how you feeling? Boys, how you feeling? We're marching on the King's Highway. Highway then. Girls, how you feeling? Girls, how you feeling? We're marching on the King's Highway. Marching! Marching on the King's Highway. Marching! Hey, yo! When I see it now, me a big singer too. But 100% talent, whatever your talents are, don't be limited. This stage is for you. Come showcase your talent and you just may walk away with up to $300,000. Next up we have, make some noise for Shane Reed. Make some noise for Shane Reed.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Let's talk to Mike, give me that, please. Alright. Portmore. 100% talent. Drop your rhythm for me. I never know of talks about big up myself and have some blessings. That's it. Come on. Alright, man. You know what already. Big up Princeton. Can't do up. We haven't got to walk. Yeah. Watch out. Alright, that. Yeah, man, I man. I say alright. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Move it. Yeah, this right there. Touch what I want. You got yourself, Master Bruce. Watch out. Real talk clearly, and obviously, as my God never yet fairly. Pussy fly on the grass with it nearly, and the gospel never yet steely. Yeah, daily, me and cheerly. I'm in love Jesus like Mary. I no fiction, no, I no theory. Deal for me and people upload like the neary. Mama they no face like them scary. Who the cats it make them weary. That boy big out and I like the cherry. From you to the grind and nobody have the weary. We are the sons of God. All them a go on like them God. We are the sons of God. Like Moses when the father be God. We are the sons of God. All them a go on like them God. We are the sons of God. That is sons of the Almighty God. Run with his 12 legions of angels. Not Michael, not Gabriel. So we stop from this like Gabriel. We don't care if Giant and Idol. Them better get blessed like us. We will pull up all in a Lexus. We have to pass like one back at Texas. All that in them happy Exos. Send caterpillar to defeat us. Oh my God, by the name of Jesus. Do it like Nike anytime we Reebok. Can't bury me in a no French cut. Watch out now, I know down me a chat in a armor. Anything when me got in a warmer, could have put a banana, go tell a farmer. Strap with the word, so you better kick off. Yo, we are the sons of God. All them are going like them God. We are the sons of God. Like Moses when the quality God. We are the sons of God. All them are talk about them God. We are the sons of God. That is sons of the Almighty God. Watch out. Walking at the truth of my youth. Watch where you step in your boot, you dilute. Which one me like star when I shoot? Them can't push me down cause I root. All when I send the gun me now move. Walk to the body and let me into. Jesus cover me like bulletproof. Tell them I who it and now back you. We are the sons of God. All them are going like them God. We are the sons of God. That is sons of the Almighty God. We are the sons of God. All them are talk about them God. We are the sons of God. That is sons of the Almighty God. Talent, you know 100%. Big up 3-star, Ellis Hill. Yeah, it's still.
So that was Shane Reed on the 100% talent stage. Shane Reed. Next up we have DJ Young Flow. DJ Young Flow.
Big up everybody, you see me? The Young Flow, Jamaican rapper. No visa, but me I work on it, you see me? Play.
The Young Flow.
Ready? Yeah, yeah. So I say, yeah, ready? Yeah, ready? So I say, yeah, rolling in, rolling out, Jamaica rapper, cold and south. I know you doubt, flow insane. I'm holding out, so going hard, holding down, I'm holding now, rising now, locks and skill, the silent sound, the hustle holds, the 9 mounts, a couple foes, the 9 sound, what's flowing around the crowds, and us, you know, we're trying now. Since introducing the things, the new things, the new crowd, the new things, the new things, the damn beautiful thing, the new thing, there's a new thing, we send the new thing, the grace of the guys, I'm sending new thing, giving new tricks, the true thing, we don't flow in the end, it's new thing, many round things, and it's new thing, do it, couple hoes calling my name, I'm calling till I make a call in the fame, going in, calling the nails, hit a boss, hit a chance, gotta get larger with hands, no shoulder events, ain't even started with self, but I leave my heart in the mail, for the crowds who are there, see my show, got a blow, all things that chillin' inside, and listen as I provide, show the rise on the rhythm as I feel like I'm seeing now, Slim Shady, and JC, going jiggle with rap, jiggle what, jiggle who, make me decide, when you listening guys, listening fine, and they will forget, I just say Prince, make these rap, making it nice and precise, but why do they hate what they were true, that's the thing, I'm sure true, hands off things, to you, who hear you, bring you, to you, it's getting to your head, and they're still roll, couple screws that I really do, for the tools and the music, for the things that they really do, yeah, haters take my grind, but they can't take the lies, this is what I say, this is what they can lie, it's not a hard thing, it's not my heart, it's not anything that I know, it's like it's all like, funny, and what you is, what it is, I'm always ready, what you is, what it is, still getting better, ring, so walk, win, win, better put your hands together, cause either I, not me, it's a time, G, and I'm gonna try to get to the fire, reach the fire, reach the fire, sit on the look, my knees, and the fire, reach the fire, it's just like a crime, I ain't in a crime, it's just what it's time, it's when it's time,
The Young Flow. 100% Talent Season 3. Next up we will have Sherms. Make some noise for Sherms. Remember, whatever your talents are, we always look forward to showcasing your talent, whatever it is. Can you boom a ball? Can you skip a rope? Are you a clown? Do you do magic? Do you do face painting? Whatever talent you have, you can showcase it on this stage for your chance to win up to $300,000 in cash. So, next up, we have Sherms.
Good night, 100% talent fans, good night. This is Sherms, you know? Bigging up everyone. Sherms. borrow ear. Trending girl, me no borrow clothes. Make a girl know me no borrow man. Come in a me, oh. Trending girl, me no borrow ear. Trending girl, me no borrow clothes. Make a girl know me no borrow man. Come in a me, oh. Word me a word, now I go. Look at your friend, yard is a no. Word me a word, now I go. Come in a me, oh. Word me a word, now I go. Look at your friend, yard is a no. Word me a word, now I go. Come in a me, oh. I'm going to the club and I'm all dressed up. Jiggy jag. I'm going to the club and I'm all dressed up. Jiggy jag. I'm going to the club and I'm all dressed up. Jiggy jag. Hey girls. I'm going to the club and I'm all dressed up. Hey girls. I'm going to the club and I'm all dressed up. Trending girl ever bougie. Trending girl ever swagging. I make a girl know me no back man. Come in a me, oh. Come in a me, oh. Thank you.
Wanna say, wanna like Sherns now? Sherns bad. 100% talent. You see Sherns doing her thing. You will see her in the street. Remember, this is a show empowered by vote. So vote for Sherns. Vote for all the contestants, alright? You just may win for yourself a flat screen television at the grand show. 100% talent, Jamaica. Next up we have, make some noise for Eva, the lady Eva, Empress Eva.
Good night, people. When I'm lost in the rain, in your eyes I know I found the light. Like my way, when I'm scared and losing ground. When my world is going crazy, you can turn it all around. And when I'm down, you're pushing me to the top. You're always there giving me all you got. For a sheep from the storm, for a friend, for a love to keep me safe. I turn to you for the strength to be strong, for the will to carry on, for everything you do, for everything that's true. I turn to you, yeah. And when I lose the will to win, I just reach for you and I can reach the sky again. I can do anything, 'cause your love is so amazing and your love inspires me. And when I need a friend, you're always by my side. Giving me faith, taking me through the night. For she
to you for the strength to be strong, for the will to carry on. For everything you do, I turn to you. Yeah, for the art to be my shelter through the rain, for truth that will never change, for someone to lean on, for a heart to be along the way, for the one who I can run to. Oh, so do you. To keep me safe and warm, yeah. I turn to you for restraint, for the will to carry on, for everything you do, for everything that's true, for everything you do, oh, for everything that's true, I turn to you.
Empress Eva. Next up we have Appa Dappa. Make some noise for Appa Dappa.
Yo, 100%. Big up the whole, hey, young floor. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, me know. Link, big up yourself, you know, in a real life. Big up the whole of more, you know, 100%. So, so big up all the people that come support this. And lyrical, you know, them, you know. Watch it now. And me tell them, seize the war and increase the peace. Not that mama not tell them, seize the war and increase the peace. And the lyrical again, seize the war and increase the peace. I me tell them, hey power, too much violence and crime are going in this land. And too much innocent youth, that's a job. And the lyrical chop one and one them again. We talk to the prime minister, every one of them. They get to you them to pull down the Glock, pull down the 9 and pull down the 6-1. Seize the war and increase rhythm. I want to them. I live in the no. I want to them. Oh. Everything my country is now God. Hey, I really should not get that. What a first thing to you. Really, I live in the world because I'm a papa. I tell all that you said. Everything my career was gone. My career was gone. Yes, we can't do it. My first thing said. Yeah. Come to them. And then we can get it now. Hey, 100%. Tell them now. Pick up all the fans I want. Oh, when I think my career was lost and gone, yeah. My career just began. Tell them again, my career just began. Warn them again. When I think my career was lost and gone, yeah. My career just began. Put more. Long time man I put work in this. Ram dance I can search in this. You know how long me a search for it. And put them like a macaw and me turn up the thing. When I think my career was lost and gone in. My career just began. Tell them again, my career just began. Warn them again. You will have put more, say my career just began. You will have got burn, say my career just began. Oh mama, warrior, say my career just began. Oh bunty killer said, my career just began. When I think my career was lost and gone, my career just began. The whole world I said, my career just began. 100% say my career just began. Can't keep a good man down. Lyrical again. Hey. Can't keep a good man down. No matter what them do, lyrical. Me know me have become true. Yeah. No matter what them say, and me not try, me not get no blind. Something I try to get a little blind. 100% I'm a told them, you know, when you think my career was lost and gone, my career just begun. 100%, and my career just begun. One them I said, my career just begun. Well, I got girlfriends, my career just begun. Well, I see views, and my career just begun. Tell them, and when you think my career was lost and gone, my career just begun. That's what I've said, my career just begun. Cameron King said my career just begun. Later again now, and when you think my career was lost and gone, my career just begun. The whole function said my career just begun. Captain Ben said my career just begun. Hey, and when you think my career was lost and gone, Link career just begun. Tell them again, the whole of Captain says the career just begun. The whole of Mama Warriors and career just begun. Gucci and I said, my career just begun. When they think my career was lost and gone, my career just begun. 100%, my career just begun. And tell Bomo, think my career was lost and gone, my career just begun. Tell them again, Captain Ben said my career just begun. You would have been wrong, said my career just begun. Mama Warrior said my career just begun. Think my career was lost and gone, my career just begun. Tell them again, my career just begun. Yeah, people good men down, again. Hey, can't keep a good man down. Hey, block time, tell you now. River time, hey, block time. I say my career just begun. But the killer said, my career just begun. Shower around King said, my career just begun. I big up a car, burn pen too for cat. You all of them say lyrical career. And I think my career was lost and gone. My career just begun. Tell him again, my career just begun. Keep a good men down. There we can know. They all are poor boy. Big up all of the sponsor them. And big up all of the people that come support this. They all of you are winning. Big up all of Savior. Preview this. Can happen up a lyrical chop one. When I think my career was lost, my career just begun. Block time, big up yourself. In a real life, happen up a lyrical chop one. Say that. Big up the sponsor them now. In a real life. I'm respectful now. Big up all of the contestant them. I'm a winner. They're like, happen up a lyrical chop one. Say that.
Upper. Me want to ask Upper said, suppose you were supposed to win though $300,000. Upper. What you gonna do with the money?
I said, I take care of family. This is my mother. Big up my mother. I'm a song for every youth. And your mother and father today, so me belong. I put up a tell you that, you know. My mother is so special to me, yeah. I walk to them. Lyrical, you know. If you know, big up brother Savior. Big up my mother. Big up my family, them. Big up Block Time. Big up Bounty Killer. Yeah, that big up all of the star, them come here. Up, you know. Every business, you know, and also family. And we say family, long time, you hear that? So big up my mother, Miss Panica, big up myself, who will save you, preview this, real life, up a lyrical chop one, in a real life, chop them up, and know so what you know. And time we go to stage, we are doing for the love, for the art. It's a mission, not a competition. So big up every people come support this. And sponsor them, and we respect enough in a real life. Yeah man, so big up Plaza, big up yourself, you know. Big up sponsor, big up yourself, you know. Straight upper, chop.
Yo, you know this is 100% talent. So, we're having some technical difficulties with the judges. I'm getting called that they are in traffic. I'm getting called that they have family issues. However, the top 5 acts that we get voted by the audience, so the audience will tell us who the top 5 persons are, and we will invite the top 5 persons from tonight's competition, if you want, to come on stage and perform again, so the audience can say who will win the best performer funds for this week, and they will collect that $10,000 come next week. All right, so remember, if you want to Right now, you should be going around in the audience ensuring that you are one of the top 5 voters if you're not sure. Because you just may walk away with $10,000 for being the best performer for this week. Next up we have Oniza. Make some noise for Oniza.
Yeah, good night everyone. Big up Master Bruce. Razzie, big up yourself, same speed. I'm here to DJ Max. You don't know the girl them facts. I'm here to Starlings, big up yourself, you know. 100% talent, why do we think different? I'm here to say, you know, I'm not choose to do a girl song tonight, so I don't want culture song. You're brand new, so you can get on the feedback. You see what I say?
Bop, bop.
See? Oh, that's a R&B song, my G. Here we go, dash it up. Dash it up. I don't speak a couple of them, I can't find it. Here we go. You are just the system. The system. 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 In a Jamaica, it a get harder. And to home seat, it a go rougher. You get a youth, them no fear suffer. But if them did a work, things would have better. Big up the elder from the corner. The youth them say them tired, beat dumpling and butter. You are just the system. The system, 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 watch out now. Enough time I go on the bus and the taxi. And me hear them a cuss for short fear. Them a move and them not care. Them all left me in the spirit. Them a move and fear. My family them a money and them don't want to share. But as they dead, them a say, them wish I was here. You are just the system. The system, you are just the system. The system, you are just the system. The system, you hear me say, big up every audience, you see. And we hear that I say, one trip and what you going on? The engineer from the fine rhythm, but that's what we do that way, because I don't want the show. You hear that? Big up on yourself, CMC, Master Moves. Where is he? Big up yourself. Yo, the dream girls, big up on yourself. You have to do. Stop this spoke, and you know someone at the door. Straight. Oh, there.
Find the rhythm.
Oniza.
Find the rhythm.
Oniza. Alright, so next up we have Clean Boss. Clean Boss.
Really fully.
Sunshine coming really we did the pain away for sin no break my past when I go lie down no feel away the sound you read away salute to me squeeze the kill we say no put your trust in nobody but we never hear not that every party here she say young more than 40 here check it don't do man all of here like me them party here yo keep us in a pass never stay alone. Never stay alone. The dogs are rising. I'm trying to do the talking. But if you're not here for the climbing, I'm climbing. I'm type of food, I'm driving. I'm like home and shining. You can move my stripes like lightning. You show me no man shining. As in it's moving bro. So now people are moving bro. It's a running with bro. People shoot about those. They're getting that gold. And I hear I'm getting gold like Mary Time. That's what it goes. Every guy's a bro. My camera run up to my head. And it's with the knowledge, come on, guys, put the knowledge. You must check all the money. You don't come in your bike, you right, you go like family. I'm not far from Saudi, you better take a war, my money. You ain't Sa kapital mo may Lord, nagkarami Lord brother. Di mo siya Lord, the greatest thing I'm going to make me earn now. Getting all like $100 for the gold, here to turn the price around. When you're 15, I'm getting Jamaica 16. Stop making when you're 16, and I report your life to change. So go to work, you know, 17. Who's the last time I reached 18? Grandfather Jack home make changes. Motivate me to become the greatest. Feel the game and I'm going to get it. 18, no, daily, daily, right? Standing, you know, start my life as time here. You see me here, you hear me go just like a lease and not feel like this is what you have, you know. Make me want to get out, plus it's making. Stay like me, from poor to some shit. So I put it to some music, one day I can get it. So put it like it is, you know, get something like some shit. After that, you get me to the man, you go move it, go to the right. Don't have to, you know, this has to be. But if you can't get me, tell me. So I want to tell me, you don't like to do it, tell me. Go on, tell me.
Bop.
Clean boss that here too, fully boss music.
I'll keep the mic too far there. What's the mic?
Fully one shot.
Okay, so that's Clean Boss. Ensure you follow him on his IG. Ensure you share his music. Ensure you like, comment, and the relevance. Alright, so next up we have OJ. Remember, tonight the person who walk away with the winning prize for the winning prize of $10,000 for the best performer, that person will be given how much votes? How much vote the person who walk away with the winning prize will be given?
50 points.
50 points.
Right.
So the person who walk away with the $10,000 tonight will automatically get an additional 50 points. All right? How that sound? How that sound? All right, it sounds like some people are wonder then suppose me now win, me not get nothing. All right, DJ Master Bruce. Right now, because tonight is the second main show, let us give to every performer 20 points. All right. So, as the host, I will ensure that each and every performer that has performed tonight get 20 points. Not the person who win. The person who win tonight, only I get them 50. But for everybody else that perform, I will ensure they walk away with an additional 20 points because I'm liking the energy, alright? So, you know this is 100% talent Jamaica. Now, me just give you a portion of points and guess what? Me not hear no form of appreciation. I will be giving 20 points to all performers tonight. That's how we are at 100% talent Jamaica. So next up we have, make some noise for OJ.
Yeah man, night. 100% talent, the OJ, you know? Want to say, oh, body bless upon herself, you know? Don't know OJ for the ladies only. Yeah. Big up in our ringers. The whole family. DJ.
Whoa, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Can I talk to you, baby? Can I talk to you, baby? Yeah.
Check this.
As she stepped down off the train yesterday, the pouring rain, with her clothes all packed, face messed up, I could tell she was feeling pain. I thought I had something sweet to tell her. As I opened up my umbrella, she was so confused, scared and abused, tried to hide it with a smile. And just like a knight in shining armor, I used my charm just to hold her, engage her in a good conversation, just trying to ease the frustration. As she told me a story, I said, baby, don't worry, I'm the man that you're looking for. Baby, count your lucky star. I'm taking you home with me tonight, and you're gonna stay with me for life. I'm taking you home with me tonight, 'cause I'm a lover, baby, I won't fight. She said she didn't know where she was going, all she knew she had to leave it fast. 'Cause if she didn't leave, she didn't know how long she was gonna last. So many times he told her sorry, so many times he said he'd stop. And it goes on and on, her mind's made up, she said she ain't going back. And just like a knight in shining armor, I use my charm just to hold her, engage her in a good conversation, to ease her frustration. As she told me a story, I said, baby, don't worry, I'm the man that you're looking for. Me mean when me say it from me heart, be a big girl, me and you will never part. Y'all me say you have me in a comfort zone. Every time I leave me down for come back home. Baby, I no games me a play. OJ coulda never ever stray. Y'all me say you have me in a comfort zone. Solid as a rock, you know, but tough like stone. I believe that love is a powerful thing, feeling deep within. If you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning sun, I'm giving thanks for this love living. Girl, with every beat on me heart, beat on me, listen. Oh Lord, I don't wanna cheat on my girlfriend, but as far as I can see, she loves only me. Oh Lord, don't wanna cheat on my girlfriend, but Lord, if you can stop me from cheating, just don't let me get caught. Don't let me get caught. Don't let me get caught. Said I hope I don't get caught. I'm just saying, listen to me now. It's such a sticky situation, yeah. I promise my girl if you're looking our direction, but everyone my turn, we see a next one. And my body get weak and I want the attention. I only wanna give the girls what they want. My lady says I'm wrong, she would understand. I don't wanna lie, but I don't want to cry. I'm so very weak inside. Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend.
Yeah, man, don't know OJ for the ladies. Bless up, you know. Up in her ladies.
OJ, 100% talent Jamaica. We are in season 3. The winning prize is $300,000, and there's a second place, a third place, and many category prizes. So, do you want to win some cash for showcasing your talent? Then this is the stage for you. you just may be the winner for season 3 or season 4 or season 5 because auditions continue weekly, alright? So wherever you are in the world, we invite you to come out to Portmore Mall for 100% Talent Jamaica. So far, who is your number 1 performer for the night? Call some names. Who is the top performers for the night? Yeah, the young flow, not the young flow like that. OJ. So we have OJ. For me, I must say Sherns. The Rasta youth. Iruga Styles. I'm hearing OJ. Sherns. Anybody else? What about the dancers? What I'll do, I'll call and you make noise, alright? So according to your noise, we will know. The young flow mash up the stage, so I have to call up his name, alright? So, I am going to invite, after Father Elwork, I am going to invite all contestants that wishes to participate for the best performer on stage, and you will line up along the stage. I will go, and according to the nice level, you will remain on stage, but 5 persons will remain on stage, alright? So you're invited to come on stage if you want to, and hopefully you will be one of the 5, and hopefully you will walk away with the best performer this week. So without further delay, make some noise for Father L.
Yo. Give me rhythm, Father. Man has a respect for me. Yo, do it.
Yo, Dre.
Chopper head no give us get a jazz. One money no hope in a palm. Gucci from Forex stacks from Vietnam. That she money tone up like Renee Traffic. Also, Panny telephone news and make so much share of the content. And it's a big chop from those still dark. Say them a chop, walk, chop, plan. Panny bang and me a chop time, make money chop fast. Happy money one side of the glass. 0.3 for the house on the van. 2.5 for the car, use the cracks. Could have been London and 2 bandings to the bars. Same jeans and a shots, could have been on the yard. Real bands, so see Coney and class man. And then in a Tony and class, we say some money, bang money, you not see the bread. Sachi money, dirty money, you not see the bread. Some jokes like money. Me a tell you some jokes like money. Me a tell you some scam money, bang money, you not see the bread. Sachi money, dirty money, you not see the some jokes like money. Watch. Jokes like money. When me look behind by 3K, dispute, sweet stage, and me have the perfect money. It all comes down to the car details. Dispute are a check to the cash choosing me. The exact chopper ever have credit. Using the cash and paper ready so that they use that credit and sold bubble. Paying up and getting the street code. I'm up and keep one, get a flat gas. We have been glow. Get some inside cup like this stone. Anyway, we pull up on no plan, but that big show. Big money, big, everything more. My money can't stay front on the checkboard. But yeah, backward with a spin roll. Or we keep growing. Yes, don't take price on the shop, then give me this. Take game up here for the skin chains. Put it in the rubber with the come up here. Cash and no make money like man a billy. Choppy like by any means. Then you can make it here when I get it.
Father L. We love that again, you hear that? It's all like Father Ella when a top contestant. Alright, so, as Father L is the last performer, according to my list for tonight, according to my list, Father L is the last contestant for tonight. If you're on the mall, if you're in the hearing of my voice, and you want to audition for 100% talent, if you can boom a ball, if you can skip a rope, if you can draw, whatever your talents are, this is the stage for you. And we are open for audition always, alright? So when we close season 3 audition, while the show progresses, we will open audition for season 4. Alright, so if you want to win the best performer prize for tonight, I invite each and every contestant on stage. Enter from backstage, alright? The audience will speak who the top 5 will be. If you want to win the $10,000 prize for the best performer, I invite you on stage. The audience will choose the top 5. Now, if you don't come on stage, then you won't get the opportunity to be in the top 5, all right? So just go right across the stage. Now keep in mind, we will be going to the studio and we will be making 100% medley, alright? So you need to get your pen to paper and start putting your lyrics together for the 100% medley, okay? So we want to see, go right across the stage so we can see everybody, alright? Now you the audience will choose, and this is why it is important for us to take out our supporters, alright? Because if my son was here and I sing Bigfoot, Littlefoot, me certain say my vote for me. And in my business, oh me soul. Okay, so you the audience, you are the judges. Mr. DJ, stop upbeat now, man. I'm money, you know. I'm 10 grand, you know.
What kick off it?
Hey! Social media for the best performer. The top 5 for tonight. According to the nice level, I will walk. Is it OJ? Is OJ one of your selection for the top 5? OJ? OJ? What about the Dream Dancers? What is about the Dream Dancers? How about the man himself, Iruga Styles? What is about Iruga Styles? Alright, so sounded good so far. And remember, this contest is judged according to the nice level, alright? Who in the lead? Is it the dancers or Iruga? The dancer of the lead? Alright.